Our company culture at Vitesco Technologies represents the way that we reflect, act, and interact with each other. Our company culture is being shaped by us, the people of Vitesco Technologies. It evolves every day. And we, the people of Vitesco Technologies, take ownership of our company culture. Why using the 3 Ps, passionate, partnering, pioneering, as brand values as well as company values? The brand values represent us mainly externally, whereas the company values reflect the way that we work together internally. This has a strong impact. This sends a message inside our new organization of Vitesco Technologies. Imagine a racing car with the 3 Ps being displayed on the outside of the car, targeting our business partners and customers. Now imagine the same racing car going down the box lane, taking a halt at the pit stop, and our internal pit stop team performing the maintenance, displaying passionate, partnering, and pioneering as a spirit. For me, the company culture displays the spirit of Vitesco Technologies. Passionate, partnering, pioneering are the baseline for our success.